Today, I will show you how to export your game as HTML5 file. Click on Project, then click on Export. Now click on Add and click on HTML5. If you have never exported before, and you are doing it for the first time, you will get an error message, because Godot are missing the required templates for the export. In the error message, click here, on Manage Export Templates. Then, click on Download and Install. After the download is finished, the error message should disappear. I leave all the default settings as they are, that's fine. Now click on Export Project. Uncheck Export with Debug. Here, at File Name, make sure that it is called index.html. If you have something else here, you have to change the name to index. This is very important. Remember, you always have to do this when you export to HTML. Now, if you export to HTML, you get several files. To have a better overview, I always create a new folder for it. Click here. You can name the new folder as you like. I call it export_in_HTML. Then click OK. As you can see here, we are already in the new folder. Now click Save. That's it. If you go to File System, you will find the folder we just created. Here it is. Right-click on it, then click on Open in File Manager. Here are all the data from the HTML export, which we have just made. To be able to upload your HTML game to a game platform, let's say itch.io, for example, you have to compress this folder and zip it. Do the following. Go one step back, here, then right-click on your folder. Now click on Send to, then click on Compress Zip Folder. If you now go to a game platform, and want to upload your HTML game, then you have to upload this zip folder. That's it. See you next time. Bye.